Happy World Dance Day. By the way, I am Mr. Walter Bitito, 64 years old, and I am the Cultural Artistic Director of the Avellana National School Dance Troupe. Actually, my dance is not my passion. Before, during my childhood, I am very athletic. So, I was born with a very simple family. I am sixth in the 10th sibling. I was raised in the heart of the city of Cebu, near in Cathedral, Metropolitan Cathedral, Cebu City. And during the time, I noticed that I have this skill of leadership. During my childhood, we're playing in the Cathedral Church outside, in the playground, in the Patria de Cebu, and also in the playground, the Plaza Independencia. I noticed that all of my childhood friends will listen to me every time when I told them that we are going to play this kind of games. So when I grew up, during my high school days, I was amazed with this volleyball player in the University of Cebu. So I wanted to become a member of them. So I joined the University of, no, it's not University of Cebu, but University of Southern Philippines Foundation, which I become during my 8 years in the secondary. I become a varsity player in USPF. Then I finished my high school because I enjoy scholarship of my being a member of this volleyball varsity team. Then one of this coach in the University of Cebu asked me to transfer in UC. So without hesitation, I transferred because I noticed that their volleyball team is in need of my capacity. So dancing actually is not my passion until such time when I become a member of the University of Cebu Dance Troupe, or CCC before. I saw the very famous Cesar Nimor. I saw his choreography. I was amazed. So I wanted to become a member of the dance troupe at the same time. So my training in volleyball at 2 o'clock will end at 5 o'clock in now Imol now. But before, that is a playground of the University of Cebu. So when I end up my training in volleyball at 5 o'clock, I ran directly to the 7th floor of the University of Cebu, where the dance troupe will have their training. So I did not blame myself. I did not say why I go on this, because in dancing I become the choreographer. I become an artistic director with those training that I have under the leadership of Mr. Nimor. So it was then I started to love dancing. So I become a member of the University of Cebu Dance Troupe, which is a Cebu Central College just before. So I become the assistant choreographer of Mr. Nimor, the president of the dance troupe. So I gain another leadership of that training. So when I graduated, actually my course is Hotel Restaurant Management in University of Cebu. But since the training that I have in the UC, the dance troupe, sent me a lot of people who ask me of my service in terms of directorial job, choreography. So I become famous of that. So I almost have 12 years render service for the Miss Mucha ng Talisay from 2000 up to 2011. So I also choreographed some civic organization, and I become a choreographer of the Tribu Sinanduloy of Tangub City for 2 years for pre-interpretation category, and also my first champion on the Sinulog was the 1999 under Lumad sa PLDT. So continued 2000 of Tribu Sinanduloy, 2001 Tribu Sinanduloy. So now I have my own group here in Abiliana, and I'm also a member of the faculty. I'm a MAPI teacher of the Abiliana National School, and this is my 24th year in the service in the DepEd. So I believe that I have shared a lot of my expertise, talent to the younger generation. I've noticed new sets of choreographer who are under me during their high school time. So I'm very thankful that the Lord God give me those talent which I was able to share to them. So now, since I was amputated, I already shared to them my talent. So before I am a choreographer, now I am the artistic director. So I have my brain, I have my idea, so share na ko nila kung unsay what is my concept, especially every year nga natay Sinulog, and also this Pasigarbo sa Subo. So that is that. Experience in dancing when I was in high school. So my friend told me there's a program, told me we have to practice because there's a program and we represent our year level. So I joined with them. So the choreographer of University of Southern Philippine Foundation noticed my skill. So she asked me to join the group. So it was then when I started dancing. So my first dance, I'll not forget, yes, the Ifugao, the dance from the Cordillera. So I don't know the title, but that was long before ago. So I know it is Cordillera because we wear bahag. So that is my first experience in dancing. Okay. I was amputated way back 2003. Since then, it's very hard for myself to execute. So I believe if you have this passion in dancing, this is not an hindrance. Being amputated is not an hindrance that you have to continue your passion. So it was then I learned to gather all my talent and share to them how to teach from step to step. So I believe by doing this skill, it was a big impact to them because I transfer my talent to them, and I believe that this transfer of talent is very important because I noticed there are a lot of my members who become famous choreographer nowadays, especially in Pasigarbo sa Subo. For now, my advice especially to the young choreographer, you have to stay humble because life is like a spinning wheel. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down, and you have to continue being humble, and that is very important for a choreographer. Do not think of what we call honor that will put in your head that you become evil, and that is wrong. All you have to do, my advice is, be humble at all the time and continue for your passion in dancing. Research more, go attend trainings, attend seminar for you to have your own idea and not copied. Especially for now, new generation, we have a lot of media, we have a lot of Google where you can easily research dance, but it's very important to have your own, and that is very important, and that is my advice to the young generation. From the Abiliana National School Dancing of Cebu City, Happy International